सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया ओ, सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पाना.
Good morning, children. You listened a very heart-touching song about our Indian Army. Today, we are celebrating Indian Army Day. Every year, Army Day is celebrated at all Army Commando headquarters in order to honor the soldiers of our country who have set the greatest example of selfless service and brotherhood. The nation also pays tribute to the brave heart on this day and thank them to their services and families on this day. Every year, India celebrates Army Day on 15th of January to mark the occasion of Indian officers. Indian Army or INA was formed in 1942 under Mohan Singh, who was an officer in the British Army. It was formed with the aid of the Japanese in Southeast Asia during the Second World War. Do you know what is the full form of army? So, an army can be defined as a land force or a ground force that fights primarily on land. In both senses, it is the land-based service branch, military branch, or armed service of a state or nation. Indian soldiers are considered one of the best on the high elevations, jungle combats and mountain warfare. The Siachen conflict is an excellent example of mountain warfare. Indian Army is the world's second largest standing army and the largest army. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Army, and it is commanded by the Chief of Army Staff, COAS, who is a 4-star general. The Indian Army has a regimental service but is optionally and geographically split into 7 commands, with the basic field formation being a division. It is an all-volunteer force, more than 81,000 active troops. The Indian Army has the sole object of protecting the nation from any foreign aggression that arises and securing the nation's security. They also try to prevent the nation from internal threats. During natural calamities, the Indian Army conducts humanitarian resources operations to save many people's lives. There are a total of 65 regiments in the Indian Army that are divided based on their skills. There are various medals presented by the President of India to different Indian Army soldiers for their bravery in the battlefield. The medals awarded for the shown on the battlefield in the face of the enemy are Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra, and the medals awarded for bravery and courage shown away from the battlefield are Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra and Surya Chakra. The Indian Army has only one goal, which is to safeguard the nation's security and maintain unity in the country. The Indian Army employs skill by conducting training missions with different powerful countries. It is clear that the Indian Army is well prepared for any unwanted situation in the future and has the capability to deal with it. In the end, I would like to say Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के